Hey, hi, you are watching JP Tarot, and today I am going to do if you are stuck in your life and you want to know, you have questions, what you are confused about yourself, even then you have this reading for you. Um, who are you? What should you know about you? And overall situation, what serves you, what doesn't serves you. All the answers are here for you. Okay, if you are stuck, please see this video. Who are you and what are you passing through? What you need to hear from this reading. Okay, um, this is pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. Pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. Pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. Okay, pile 1 this red stone, pile 2 this white stone, and pile 3 this black stone. Okay, pile 1, you are up. Okay, pile 1. How you see yourself is you feel like you are a talkative person, you are very expressive type of person. Okay, but how does others see you? That you are someone who is not happy emotionally and who has walked away from their emotion, from their any situation, from the person or their where they should be. They are not there, they have moved away because they were dissatisfied. So you feel that you are expressive person and other feel you are dissatisfied person. Okay, who have moved away, who have shown his back, who has given up. Okay, what you are currently doing, and that's not you, that's not you, but you are behaving like that, is you are keeping things with you, you are not expressing. As I said, you feel like you are a very expressive person, but you are right now you are not expressing, and that's why people are thinking that you have given up, you are a dissatisfied loser. Okay, don't take my words so seriously, because but I am here to tell you what other things about you. What's important for you is to make effort to change this pattern, to become expressive once again, to stop hiding your emotions and feelings, change your patterns, to, as people think you are a loser, you need to acquire success to show people that you are not the loser, you are not, you have not given up, and you are not though dissatisfied at this point of time, but you are not going to be satisfied for all that long, or for all the life. Okay, you have the capability to manifest happiness in your life, to manifest that satisfaction you require in your situation or relationship. Okay, what's not important is you don't need any good news or any victory any victory over something or someone. You don't need. It will not serve you at all. If you will get victory over someone, or you will get some good news, that's not gonna serve your satisfaction or dissatisfaction. Rather, it must be in line with your aspiration. Okay, if you are desiring something and some good came, some other type of good news or came, or you achieved victory over someone, that's not going to make happy. It's just victory, not satisfaction. Okay, so you need to manifest things. Again, second card came. You need to have to manifest thing. For your well-being, you need to put in effort. Being effortless or being or not putting in effort in a situation or in a relationship is not never going to serve you. Okay, you need to have to put effort in the situation. If you will give up, you will not put in effort, nothing is going to help you or your relationship or your situation. Okay, you don't want victory, you want satisfaction. If you are dealing with a person, you don't try to bend them, and you will get notice news that your person is ready to bend before you. That will feel like a victory or a good news, but that's not the good news, because ultimately you are going to bend your other half. You are not going to get satisfaction over that situation. Though you will win over that person, but you will not win your relationship or uh, their respect or their the previous like admiration you had in the past. That admiration from that person. Okay, so you need not to win over that person, you need to work in the relationship or the situation. Okay, you need to make a put effort in the situation, not to quarrel, to create conflict, to bend someone, something like. You need only the change of scenario, the change of situation. Okay, that's your reading, pile number 1. Hope you got your answer. Who are you? How people see you? What's important and what's not important to you? What you are behaving like that you are not actually, but you are behaving in that manner, and what's going to serve you and what's not. Okay, that's your reading. That's all about you. Who are you? Okay, that's your reading. If you liked my reading, if you got all your answers from my reading, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you. And now, those who chose this white stone, you are up. So, how you see you? You see yourself as a defensive person, as a protective person, as a caring person who protects his heart, his emotions, his stability, everything in his whatever thing he has in his kitty, whatever. Okay, how does others see you? As a stable person, not that stable, not that successful, but in a good position. Others see you as a stable person. You are actually juggling a situation or a relationship, and that's not you. Stop doing that because it's not your nature. You are a protective person. You are a protective person. Then why you are destroying your stability by juggling things? If you are in a better position financially and even in the emotionally, then why you are messing up things? Don't juggle, okay? It's not you. Don't juggle. Choose. You need to have to choose between some person or some profession. You need to make a decision, okay? What's important for you is to have a mental clarity, to have a clarity over situation. As the card came, choose. Please choose. Have a mental clarity. It's important for you because ultimately you are protective person, defensive person, and if you will not have clarity, you will spoil things, and you that will not be good for you. And what's not important, see how the cards are coming. Decision, clarity, to avoid confusion. Don't be in confusion. They are all lined up as they are. These cards are so beautifully have came. My God, it's a coincidence or something, but every reading fits it. But so precisely, we have. So there is synchronicity. We have to study, but here no need to study. Someone is juggling, doesn't have clarity, he is confused, and now what you know don't need in your life is just, I said, you are juggling between situation. You have a third party relationship, or you have a threesome type of situation, or you are to choose between some person or situation. So you don't need a threesome situation. You don't need a juggling situation. Since you are juggling, you are not taking your decision, you are not having clarity, you are confused, and that's leading to a third party type of relationship, or you have messy situation in your career everywhere. So you need to make choice, okay? So that's your reading. What how do you see yourself, how others sees you, what you are doing, but you are not like that. It's not your type. What's important, what's not important for you, and what is not going to serve you in your life. That's your reading. It's who are you reading, okay? Okay. So if you liked my reading, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you, pile number 2. Okay, those who chose this black stone, pile number 3, you are up. So how do you see yourself? Oh, you feel very good about you. You think you have an edge over your competitors. You are better than your competitors, okay? You are in a good position than your competitors. How others sees you, that Others see you that you are in a mutual love situation, you are emotionally satisfied in a situation or in a relationship. Others seeing your happiness, that you are in a very good situation, you are in a very happy situation. You are showing off that you are very much happy. You are showing off that you are completely satisfied in the situation, in a relationship, but that's not true. It's not true. What's important is, if you are in a third party relationship, and you need to stop that, okay? Or if you are dealing with a person having a third party relationship with you, or you are a side piece, then stop. You are showing off that you are happy because people are seeing you with your partner making love or something. That's making you very that's making you feel that you are better than others. That's not going to, that's not you, that's not going to satisfy you. That's fake. That smile is fake. Might be, if there is no third party relationship, then your happiness, your family matters you a lot, and that should be your priority, okay? If you are happy, satisfied or not, but still your family, your happiness, your stability is important, okay? Because you, people know, think you are very happy with your person and you are showing off, but the main thing is, your family is important, should be important for you, okay? And you are advised not to move away from this happiness, from this happiness, from this good situation, having edge over others, having good relationship, your partnership from your partner. Though you are a little bit unsatisfied, you are not fully satisfied, but still it's your family. You need to be with your family. Don't move away, don't move on, okay? If you want to move away, things are not that good, that could make you happy, then you need to move away from your with your person. Make an environment change. If you love your person, people see that you are not satisfied, that means you need some time, some quality times with your person, okay? That doesn't mean that you need a separation, no. If you are not satisfied with your person, tell them, I want your time, just your attention, everything. I want you. You are my partner. And on the same line, if you have, if this is for career, and you are asking about what I am doing in my career, what I am, if I am so over in at the edge, I have an edge over others, and people see me happy in this career or something, but I am not satisfied because I feel like a side piece, or might be you are opting, you are wanting some promotional status, or you have a success, but that success is not making you happy, then you are thinking to leave that job or something, to move away, to move to other city. But it's suggesting, if this, I have told totally about love, now I am talking about career. If you are not satisfied with your peer group something, do take transfer, but don't leave your job. Shift to other branch, okay? Don't leave your job, okay? And don't leave your job, okay? Don't leave your partner, don't leave your job, though it is not making you fully satisfied, don't move away, because you have edge over others. Okay, you have edge over others. You are happy, not completely, but you are happy, and you have success. Why you're leaving your success? Don't do that. Okay, so I told, in love perspective, do spend your time with your person, don't leave your person. Okay, don't make your mind to leave them. You can ask them to give their time and emotion and attention to you. Okay, that's your reading, those who chose pile number 3. So if you liked my reading, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe. Okay, thank you.